Rise of mass production and consumption. The US economy recovered from the impact of war in 1920s. Mass production became its characteristic feature. Henry Ford, well-known car manufacturer, adopted the assembly line method, which increased the pace of production while cutting cost and price of engineered goods. This method became popular in Europe too. From 2 million in 1919, car production in the US increased to more than 5 million in 1929. Large investments in house construction and the hire purchase system, which let people pay through monthly or weekly installments, brought about a consumer boom. Increased demand was accompanied by increased production, more income and prosperity in the US. The Great Depression. In 1923, the US and the European economies were well on the path of recovery till a major part of the world was hit by the Great Depression in 1929. It lasted till mid-1930s. Agricultural overproduction was one of the reasons. Excessive farm produce led to slump in prices and shrank the incomes of farmers. In 1929, investments reduced to 1/4 of the previous years in the countries dependent on loans from USA. During this financial crisis, USA withdrew its loans. Several banks in Europe as well as US closed. Many companies collapsed. India and the Great Depression. Due to the Great Depression, colonial India's exports and imports reduced to half between 1928 and 1934. But the colonial government did not reduce revenue demands. It severely hit Indian farmers. India's exports of precious metals and gold at this time only helped stabilize British economy. Mahatma Gandhi launched the civil disobedience movement in this background.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.